play. I come and say, Amari, she hurt. No matter what she put a picture out, the same thing. When your emotion take you, you can't hide from it. You can't hide for yourself. I was married, and there was no respect in the marriage on two sides. I play like it, they give me respect. Because when I see what you point out to be, I start class you. I still defend you no matter what. You send me here, you tell the girl, say, she not, you don't see nothing about the song. The song, all right, I like the song. Me, you abandon yourself. That shows your self-esteem. That shows how strong and weak it is as a person. Somebody, I got this here, you got to tell him you agree with that. And me turn him in a brand. Why you think him can't go on internet as him with it? And me bill him. And all who are fight. Right? God give me gratitude. I don't want no gratitude. But that's why you allow me. You understand me? Allow me, man. Was not that you never like me. Because me, I tell you, if you didn't like me, you don't chat shit. When I tell people, morning, Jay. One bar like me and stop call to me, I'm going to look for your friend, do it. Not call to me, brethren. Watch if you watch up. I don't want nobody call to me. Then him sit down and whisper in the ears and tell him, I say, oh, my wife, I got this, you know. Me not this, nobody else me. You hear that? And leave me alone. Wait, me telling the one, enough to me, I cuss trouble me. Then this, me. So you mean by if you did this, me enough this, me doing. This one top of this, me wonder how me get over them. I have a compare picture. Well, my family would have get people for hey, sometimes I wonder if people really lie and wicked say that I tell them, oh, me not lie at me real you. Oh, you don't know your wife. If you don't know your go back go sit down on the internet and tell people, say me set up people for video your airport, for video me and you. And me set up girl for come tell us, why you think we sing this big and bold? Every blood, one day come by internet, come talk to you. And when you get loose, right now, last night my friend said to me, say, doing I'm a friend there, I'm not learn. I said that I do business. I ever say you don't know where girl come from. You lose our friend. Picture to your friends. I made them know that means this sad. Conniving woman hold your door. You know like my car too strong and powerful. You hear the man I said? The people them on the internet view the afraid to interview him. And my fault, me that. They must approach me with caution. And them think that you hate me. I say, you see, no man can't come on my page or come on your page, come telling us about me. You see, no my phone, no man can't talk to me or girl talk to you. And that's you hate me for I'm strong and sturdy. Me see I do one video. And two tall man in front of you the behind. And I say to you, say, you're a celebrity. If you're there front, and you cuss me. You don't know your value and your word. Not tell a lie for me. Me love you, honor you. And she said, nobody not care about you. No, girl. God bless your mother. And when you hear she says she get tough love, I get tough love because you don't have no manners. You disrespect your mother just like me. Well, I say to you, say the two women in the world will care about you. But every time you run there now, she not split justice. I'm solid. I am firm. I am sturdy. You're not solid. You don't stand by your wife and say, don't do this. This is going to affect you. You say, go on for internet. You love internet. And that brings this to this. Every time I speak to you, I am a soft-hearted person. If I love somebody, soul with them, and I done that. And that's you hate my father. Not tell no lie about no my family would have said it, man. Me not like them argument there. It's rude. Then you're going to say me set up people at airport for video. How you? Video you for do what? For put on Instagram and get money out of that? That don't make no sense. What? Views? You don't know me, brother. You don't know me. If you didn't know me, you would have sit down and chat so much shit for look attention. Talk truth. The amount of girl when I see this, remember I say I can't girl have a problem and the disrespect what you take. And then when them pressure you, you give me attitude. You know, stand by me. If I go shop and buy a bag, I choose you to take the bag, you know, help me do one. Tell on a lie, me I tell. So you go come talk about you live in a misery. What kind of misery? You live life, too much easy life. Them text girl and then the girl them diss you. The way them talk to you. When I go on your phone and sit and say, do it. You can't be so common and make so much woman of this, you know. I know you go come sit down. I go, pie, me hear them after them with this. Them this them family that send it, man. What? What did you just say about my family? When my mother have their pumps and pride you. I have bantan me, you tummy in my jaw. I mean, I said, do it. You know, you tummy in my jaw and a bantan me. You're not even want to give me a hug. Remember, good man, that make you get all of that need to the stop. Yeah. Come talk, let me get up and stop. And when you bring that, who want me to fling me something? I said, do it, please. Remember, do it, I want to I come talk about scissors. I mean, the scissors in a man coming and let go the scissors. All scissors. Oh, yeah, tell people scissors left it up. Brother, stop calling that name and stop telling lie for me. You know what? Me hate me, can't stand it. Stop tell lie for me and look publicity out for me. You hear that? Stop tell lie for me. That me I tell you, you know. Stop tell lie. You hear? If them ever come over, you come call me name. Or you got thump because you thump your wife now your face. Me hear them. Because I couldn't listen to them. But I hear a lot of them last night. I mean, I said, what? You sit down and you premeditate me. You sit down and you go there, so you tell a friend and I put the car, speaker in the car. Oh, I'm not fight for no marriage. When I'm saying, and I make my car and breathe. I mean, I said, do you have to tell man them things about your wife? You sit down and premeditate me as a man, you sit down with your virgin them. That's why I come on internet, come talk. Or if you have man that come on internet and come talk and say, yeah, your virgin talk one away. And I come on internet, my dog, me tell you, you know. So if you go with the car, because she can't find you. And if you was my woman, why are you comparing me with your woman? Not the man wife. Why you comparing married to the drunk guy? Who no man? And when me dip up under your nasty, come send me blood threats. How much more one can take? Eh? Me ask you now. Is that appropriate for you to say a decent casual? For come on internet, come straight to your friend. A long time I tell you that, talk what want to me. We get how much in people for counsel with. Why much to me for you get me one away and talk? You say I love internet. Everything on internet. So why you come on internet brother and tell my husband to come on internet and come contest? Are you to yourself and I boss you know? That not. Are you not tired of it? I'm not taking a freedom from the man Ghana Canada. The whole of them see we understand me. I'm tired of it. True. Not trying to see me happy go lucky. I want me, man. And I fix me and tell lies up. I don't go, yeah, destroy. I'm going to destroy your career. That sound good for you come talk. I say you're not bad night. Or if you destroy something in a bill where you come see me with. Well, if you study in a brand, it make everybody has to do it. You don't make no sense. Destroy me how you have this. I say I could have got some big that make everything disappear. It can't happen. It can't.